Hey there, creators and music enthusiasts. Have you ever wanted to create your own royalty-free music but thought it was too complicated or expensive? Well, today I'm going to show you how to do it in just 5 simple steps using an amazing AI tool called Stable Audio. By the end of this video, you will have your own unique music tracks ready to upload to the YouTube completely copyright-free and get into the YouTube partner programs to make money. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Step 1. Sign up for the Stable Audio. First thing first, head over to the Stable Audio website. You can find the link in the descriptions. If you are new, you will need to sign up for an account. Don't worry, it's quick and free to get started. Once you are in, you will be greeted with a sleek and intuitive interface designs to help you generate music effortlessly. Step 2. Select your music style and parameters. Now, it's the time to set the foundations for your track. Stable Audio allows you to choose your music style, tempo, and even the mood in the prompt. Let's say we are creating a hip-hop beat for a vlog background. Here's how you do it. I'm just gonna give this prompt. Create a 1-minute intense compositions at 85 BPM within the hip-hop genre. And 4x4 time signature features the deep 808s, sample chops, and a crisp snare with the techniques like a triplet flows and syncopation. Structure the piece with a hard-hitting intro leading into the verse. Focus on dynamics and vocal delivery, emphasizing lyrics complexities. Draw inspirations from the Sicko Mode by Travis Scott. You can also tweak the parameters like selecting the model. I'm leaving it to the latest one, and durations is going to be like a max 30 seconds I'm putting now. So now we are done with step 2. Step 3, generate your music track. Once you have set your preferences, click the magic generate button. Stable Audio AI works quickly to create your personalized track. In just seconds, you will have a completely original piece of music that's royalty free and ready to use. Take a moment to preview it. If you're not satisfied, you can tweak the parameters again and regenerate it until it's become more perfect for you. Step 4. Download and verify the royalty-free status. Once you're happy with the track, hit the download button. Stable Audio provides a commercial license for the subscription. We'll see that in the later part. This is more important, so watch till the end to know the business plan. This means you can use it for your projects without worrying about the copyright strikes or legal issues. Step 5. Upload your tracks to the YouTube. Now, for the fun part, sharing your music with the world, head over to the YouTube and upload your track. Be sure to add an engaging title like relaxing, dynamic, hip-hop, royalty-free music. Write a detailed description mentioning that music is royalty-free and create with Stable Audio. Use relevant tags like lo-fi music, royalty-free music, and hip-hop to optimize the discoverability of your music. And that's it. Your royalty-free music is now live on YouTube. Ready to enhance the video, inspire the creativity, or just help people to relax. Last but not least, let's see the pricing and return on investment. In free plan, you can generate 20 tracks per month and can use only for non-commercial. You can use this for 1 month of testing to see the look and feel. Once you're ready, let's get into the business. You can take $12 per month plan and can generate 500 tracks each 3 minutes for a month. And you can sell them in all social media like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and you name it, whatever. You can do this for 1 or 2 months and you can take a pause and can resume your music creations when you want it to go for the next set. So let's see the numbers. You spend 2 months with $25 on the subscriptions and upload 500 tracks. In 6 to 8 months, worst case in a year, if you hit a minimum of 5,000 per music, you will hit 2.5 million views and you can make roughly $2,500. In 5 years, the same music will generate a passive income of total minimum $20,000. Trust me guys, people are searching wildly on the social medias for the good music for free. Your YouTube channel will go crazy by posting such a music channel. This is a minimum estimate I'm referring to. You can imagine the best case situations, the number will be mind-blowing. So guys, don't wait. Grab this opportunity today and start making tons of money with your copyright-free music. This stage is set and success is waiting for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notifications bell for more tips on AI tool and creative acts. Let me know in the comments what kind of music you're planning to create. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Happy creating. Your music, your way, start earning now.